welcome you all to Think Maths. We are in Class 10 Maths, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. In this session, we are going to discuss about cross multiplication method and examples. So, let us take the general equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So, these are the pair of linear equation. So, by cross multiplication method, we can use this formula to find the solution. That is x divided by b1c2 minus b2c1, which is equal to y divided by c1a2 minus c2a1, which is equal to 1 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1. So, this result can also be remembered using this picture. That is, we can write x, y and 1 here. So, here it is b1, c1, a1, again b1. And down it is b2, c2, a2 and b2. So, just we have to draw the cross. So, if we draw the cross, we can easily find out the result. So, that is x divided by b1c2 minus c1b2, which is equal to y divided by c1a2 minus c2a1, which is equal to 1 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1. So, using this cross multiplication, we can find out the results of x and y. Okay. So, let us get into the example. So, first example 14. From a bus stand in Bangalore, if we buy 2 tickets to Malleshwaram and 3 tickets to Yeshwanthpur, the total cost is rupees 46. But if we buy 3 tickets to Malleshwaram and 5 tickets to Yeshwanthpur, the total cost is 74. We have to find the fares from the bus stand to Malleshwaram and Yeshwanthpur. So, let us assume the fares from bus stand in Bangalore to Malleshwaram as x and the fare from the bus stand in Bangalore to Yeshwanthpur as y. Okay. So, then the first condition is they are buying 2 tickets to Malleshwaram. So, per ticket cost is rupees x. Then 2 ticket will be 2x. So, 2x plus for Yeshwanthpur they are getting 3 tickets. So, 1 ticket cost is y, 3 ticket cost will be 3y. So, total cost is 46. In the same way, if they buy 3 tickets to Malleshwaram, so it will be 3x. 3x plus for Yeshwanthpur, they are buying 5 tickets. So, it is 5y equal to the total cost is 74. So, this equation can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 46 equal to 0 and this one 3x plus 5y minus 74 equal to 0. So, this is the general form. So, this is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. So, we are going to use the cross multiplication method. So, let me take the next page. So, let me write this equation here. The equation is 2x plus 3y minus 46 equal to 0. Another equation is 3x plus 5y minus 74 equal to 0. So, x, y and the constant 1. So, here first we have to write b1. So, this is a1, b1 and c1. So, here it is a2, b2 and this is c2. So, first we have to write b1. b1 is 3. Next is c1. c1 is minus 46. b1, c1, next a1. a1 is 2. Again b1 which is 3. So, on down we have to write b2. So, b2 is 5. c2 is minus 74 and a2 is 3. Next again b2 is 5. So, we have to cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we can find the solution. That is x divided by 3 into minus 74 minus 5 into minus 46, which is equal to y divided by minus 46 into 3 minus 74 into 2, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3. So which is equal to x divided by 3 into minus 74 is minus 222. So here minus into minus will become plus. So 5 into 46. 5 6 are 30. Balance will be 3. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Which is equal to y divided by minus 46 into 3. That is 6 into 3 is 18. Balance will be 1. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So minus 138. Here there are two negative signs. So minus into minus will become plus. So 74 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 7 into 2, 14. 148. Which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 5 is 10. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. So on calculating, it will be x divided by 230 minus 222, it will be 8, which is equal to y divided by 148 minus 138 is 10, which is equal to 1 divided by 10 minus 9 is 1. So we are going to equate this to x divided by 8 equal to 1 divided by 1. So cross multiplying 1 into x is x equal to 8 into 1 is 8. So we got x is equal to 8. Next, equating these two, y divided by 10 is equal to 1 divided by 1. So on cross multiplying, y into 1 is y, which is equal to 10 into 1 is 10. So we got the solution as x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10. So this is the solution for this problem. So we can say that the fare from the bus stand in Bangalore to Malleshwaram is rupees 8 and fare from the bus stand in Bangalore to Yeshwanthpur is rupees 10. Okay, I hope you can understand. So let me go to the next problem. So before that, I am taking online class for CBSE Class 10 Maths. So if you need any details, you can mail me abarna.thinkmaths@gmail.com. So also if you like this video, just hit like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button for more notifications. Okay. So let me go to next example. For which values of P does the pair of equations given below has unique solutions? So before going into the problem, we know that there are the three conditions. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then we know that the solution is unique. There's only one solution. If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, it has solution, but it has infinite number of solution. Another condition, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, but if it is not equal to C1 by C2, then there is no solution. So these are the three conditions for the solution. So now they gave pair of linear equation. So we have to find the condition such that the equation has unique solution. Okay. So first let us write A1 by A2. So A1 by A2. So this is A1, which is 4. A2, it is 2. Next B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is P and B2 is 2. So the condition for unique is A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. So here A1 by A2 is 4 divided by 2. B1 by B2 is P divided by 2. So if this should not be equal, denominator both are same. So the numerator should not be same. Here the numerator is 4. So P should not be equal to 4. So for this condition, the pair of equation will have unique solution. So for all values of P, we can say that for all values of P except 4, the equations will have unique solution. Okay, the pair of equations will have unique solution. So if P is equal to 4, then A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2. So P should not be equal to 4. Okay. So I hope you can understand this problem. So let me go to the next example 16. For what values of K will the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions? Infinitely many solution means the condition should be A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2, which should be equal to C1 by C2. So first let us find A1 by A2, which is equal to A1 here is K. In this equation it is 12. Next B1 by B2. B1 is 3. B2 is K. And C1 by C2. Here C1 is minus K minus 3 and C2 is minus K. So both the negatives gets cancelled, which will be equal to K minus 3 divided by K. Okay. So these are the conditions. So if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Here A1 by A2 is K divided by 12, which is equal to B1 by B2 is 3 by K. So cross multiplying, K square will be equal to 12 into 3 is 36. So this means K square equal to 6 square. So K will be equal to taking square root. K will be equal to plus or minus 6. So K can be plus 6 or minus 6. So let us check whether it gets the positive value or negative value. So another condition is B1 by B2 should be equal to C1 by C2. So here B1 by B2 is 3 divided by K, which is equal to C1 by C2 is K minus 3 divided by K. On cross multiplying, 3K is equal to here K square minus 3K. Okay. So taking everything to one side. So I am keeping K square minus 3K as such. I am taking this 3K to RHS. So plus 3K will become minus 3K equal to 0. So K square minus 3 if you add it will be minus 6K. So taking K outside it is K minus 6 K into K minus 6 equal to 0. So this implies K is equal to 0 and K is equal to 6. So we got two conditions. So if we compare these two conditions, here K is equal to plus or minus 6, here K is equal to 0 or 6. So the common solution is K is equal to plus 6. So for K is equal to 6, we will get infinitely many solutions for this example. Okay. When K is equal to 6, we get infinitely many solutions. Okay. I hope you can understand this problem. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Thank you.